Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we are bringing you a very effective and common self-defense technique that is bringing quite popular these days. This technique is especially also useful for girls as it can really help you in real life situation. In this video we won't just teach you the technique but we will also show you the mistakes you must avoid. So without wasting any time, let's get started. If someone grabs your neck with both hands and tries to harass you, here's what should you do. If he grabs you tightly and he is stronger than you, then don't panic. Stay active and keep your mind sharp. First of all, you need to create a little space so you can breathe. For that, you should attack on his stomach with force using both hands, like this way, as you can see in the video, like this. You will do with force like this. As soon as his grip becomes slightly loose, immediately react. Don't try to control both of their arms separately with one hand each because he is stronger and you won't be able to control him that way. Instead, use both of your hands together to control one of his arms. Grab one arm firmly using the strength of both your arms. Then, lift it upward and also try to the control second arm so he can't attack you again, like this way. Lift up and control like this way. Quickly move his arm down from underneath and close in tightly. At this point, if you apply more pressure here, it can seriously damage or even break his arm. In this position, he would not able to use his other hand. Even if he try to grab you or pull you, immediately fold his arm and maintain control like this. I'll show you this technique from the other side so you can understand better. When you grab your neck, step 1, hit. Step 2, grab. Step 3, round, close and press his arm like this. Guys, now I'll show you this in fast motion, real situation, how it works or not. Yes? If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more practical self-defense techniques. Stay safe, stay strong. See you in the next video. Thank you.